It's time for some channel upgrades specifically for my live streaming setup. So here is my current live streaming setup. We got the MacBook Pro. This is the 15-inch late 2016 model with touch bar, and we've been using the onboard webcam. Funny enough is we actually boost up the MacBook Pro with basically just a box to give it a little height. Additionally, for a key light, we're just angling a floor lamp, that with a Generation 2 Philips Hue bulb. And for audio, we're using the Rode SmartLav Plus. And now let's go over our options for our live streaming upgrades. Number one, the Shure MV88 Plus. A mega player in the audio space, Shure just came out with this MV88 Plus, which retails at $250. The MV88 Plus is great because it can record different types of audio. Just our basic kind of talking to the camera audio. It's got an interview feature. It can also record field audio as well. The MV88 Plus also has adjustable settings as well as headphone monitoring. The current audio that you're hearing is recorded on the Rode VideoMic Me. Secondly, something that we're definitely picking up for here on the channel is the brand new Elgato Key Lights. Just announced at CES Las Vegas, the Elgato Key Lights were specifically developed for live streaming. Guys, this is definitely needed. Now, filming our traditional videos, we do have your traditional soft boxes here filming, but for our live streaming, we really didn't have any key lights whatsoever. A floor lamp with one Philips Hue bulb really wasn't cutting it. Now, the great thing about the Elgato Key Lights is they're LED, so they're not going to produce a lot of heat, which can definitely be a pain when you're live streaming. These key lights also have adjustable color temperatures, and what's pretty cool about this is it's actually adjustable via an app. These also have an ultra thin footprint, so it's not going to take up a lot of space on my desk as well. And lastly, something that we've had for quite a long time, but only made an appearance for just a couple of weeks, is some acoustic foam. Now, I'm sure you can tell in here there's definitely an echo. There's really no acoustic foam up here, and we would need a good amount to actually warm the sound up for this narration. This 24-pack of 2-inch acoustic foam is going to help us get that warmer sound during our live streams. I'm excited for this and other updates to the setup coming shortly, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.